Hey, what's up guys? This will be a short tutorial on Photoshop beta. Yeah, double click and open the new Photoshop. Select open and choose whatever image you want to edit. Then select subject. Inverse it because we're gonna change the background. Now generate and let's type Paris background. We're going to crop and extend this image. Select the areas and hit generate and fill. And boom, just look at it. Photoshop AI does just a great job. It's crazy. Now just go to export and quick export as PNG. Yes, we are done. Let's edit another image. So just select lasso tool, and if you cannot find this option, then just go to Windows and turn on contextual bar. Now select the areas, generate fill, remove tattoo, and boom. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, take care, bye, peace.